In the beginning, when a message had to be delivered or information obtained, the chief would send smoke signals and the drums would beat out the story.
Send message to Black Cloud. Tell him, quit puffing. Cut down on smoke signals. The check is in the mail.
Suddenly, things started changing in the teepees. Someone invented the telephone, which sent the smoke signals across the land just by dialing and speaking. It was magic. The chiefs and their assistant chiefs and their squaws started speaking to other tribes from far and wide. While messages were getting easier, things got quite busy when typewriters and adding machines were invented. Now there were memos and balance sheets, invoices and statements, meetings and reports. Telephone directories were invented. Paperwork was being shuffled at a rapid rate. Messages were coming in thick and fast. The reports were piling up.
Oy vey.
Things were getting heavy.
Me going to have to delegate. More managers needed to cope with workload.
Everything settled down for a while. There was definite growth in this small but dynamic company. Everyone was taking messages. Memos were circulated at a healthy rate. Then, everything went electric and got very hectic. Information had to be found quickly. Now there were telexes and PABXs, new copying machines. Information was flying everywhere. Suddenly there were personal computers, word processors, communication terminals, modems and mainframes, and more. Mail and messages. There was so much happening so fast. The managers had to obtain, handle and process this information more rapidly and efficiently than ever before. Even with these many devices, they were still overloaded and still had to deal with clients, customers, and the demands of a normal business day.
I have solved all the problems. We need quick access to information, electronic mail, and messaging. So, I've bought a telecom computer phone.
Life changed at the office. The computer phone proved not to be just hocus pocus. It was practical. Now everyone has more freedom, finds information more quickly. Life is just more organized, less cluttered, easier to control. Even interruptions don't seem to matter as much. The computer phone can handle many day-to-day tasks. People are more pleasant and productive, yet seem to have more time. And Thunderbear is a happy man.
This was a smart move that solved a lot of problems. Computer phone can be used for data access, electronic mail and messaging. But more than that, it is a truly integrated, easy-to-use workstation. Even I know how to use it.
The computer phone has made data communications, electronic mail and messaging, advanced telephony and practical personal computing almost as easy as using the phone.
It's all in your fingertips. No fancy computer languages. Staff and management, lovely. I can retrieve almost any information I want. And I can send memos around the office, interstate and overseas. And I've got my own special telephone directory, which can connect me in seconds to the number I want at the press of a button.
Here are some of the ways in which Computerphone works. Computerphone can be used to access company mainframes. It can also access other computer mainframes for professional information, such as financial, legal and medical, government, real estate, and other commercial areas. And the list is growing constantly. Computerphone can also access databases such as Telecom's Viatel for information such as banking, stocks and shares, exchange rates, and other financial services, including airline and travel information and agricultural data. Computerphone can store screens or pages of online database information for subsequent offline viewing. Computerphone's built-in modem, via protocol converters if necessary, can allow access to all types of information systems and mainframes. Therefore, several systems can be accessed from a single terminal, and a change of computer system need not mean a change of terminal. Computerphone therefore aids access to a huge and growing range of information. This supports decision-making and provides an extremely versatile terminal for networks, within your company or department, with your customers or suppliers, and with associated companies. Electronic mail and messaging. Computerphone gives access to two levels of message sending. Messaging. It links CP users directly within a local PABX network or across Australia. Messaging works the way a user does, with in trays and out trays. It has automatic dispatch with retry to multiple addresses. Transmission is error-free. Messaging alerts users to incoming messages without interrupting them. Electronic mail. Whereas messaging is point-to-point among Computerphone users, electronic mail services such as Telememo are computer-based and provide access to users of other terminals across Australia and across the world. Computerphone has many powerful features for organizations and groups. With Telememo, access details can be stored and easily used by short code dialing, and pages can be stored or printed. Advanced telephony. As a telephone, it takes over from any existing phone to give users advanced feature benefits. It can store names and telephone numbers, provide abbreviated dialing, memory redial, and hands-free auto dialing. Any information can be included, allowing the user full search capabilities. Practical personal computing. Computerphone's optional integrated applications package is ideal for the working manager. The QL word processing program has advanced features to assist in the preparation of all memos and documents before you print them or send them off via electronic mail. The spreadsheet program, Abacus, is ideal for financial and other figure work. Using plain and easy language, it recalculates the entire sheet whenever a figure is changed, showing all the implications immediately. It can be used for financial planning and analysis, such as balance sheets, stock and cost control, quotations, forecasting, sales targets and results, and a host of other applications. Managers can see more clearly what their next move should be. Spreadsheets can be either printed out or transferred to easel. The easel graphics program displays information in 8 different formats. The user can add headings, notes, and has a wide choice in scale and style. Archive, the database program, is flexible and simple, making it extremely easy to keep and find information. And all these practical personal computing packages are totally integrated with similar commands and modes of use. Computerphone can also be used as a powerful personal computer for writing your own programs. Computerphone uses high-speed micro drive cartridges for security copying, archiving or distribution of data. To complete the picture, it has its own calculator. Computerphone is simple, has many varied applications, and starts working with you as soon as it's on the desk. It then grows with your ability and needs. Because of the unique keys Start and Resume, you can work in a normal fashion, coping with interruptions as they arise, referring to information when needed, and then return to the original task. This is a unique advantage of Computerphone. Computerphone can be used by small or large companies, on 1 or 2 telephone lines, on PABXs or company networks. Computerphone combines all the really useful features of data communications, electronic mail and messaging, advanced telephony, as well as being a practical personal computing unit.
This is a real all-in-one. It has helped my tribe stay on top. I love my telecom computer phone.